My name is Ojo Isaac of Presta Royal Concept, located in Ikeja, Lagos. Today, we are looking at VAT payable. How do you pay VAT to IFRS? How do you remit VAT to Federal Inland Revenue Service? That is the topic of the day. After you have collected VAT, when you were raising invoices, it is now done on you as an agent of Federal Republic of Nigeria to remit what you have collected to Federal Inland Revenue Service, because it is criminal to collect and not to remit. Please do not fall on the wrong side of the law. Let us go ahead and show you how to remit VAT to Federal Inland Revenue Service using Sage 50 accounting. So we look at our case study here. Our case study is saying how to remit VAT to Federal Inland Revenue Service, FIRS. On the 31st of January 2020, the sum of 242,175 naira was remitted to Federal Inland Revenue Service with check number 90028882387. This is the figure that was remitted on this day. So, this figure, is it also in your database? Do you have this figure in your database? That is to say, in your Sage 50 reports? Let's go there and find out. So you click on reports, you click on general ledger reports, or general ledger trial balance. You double click on it, it will appear. So when it appears, then you will view the VAT. Look at it, VAT possible, payable. VAT payable. Look at the figure that is being owed here. Credit in your trial balance. 242,178,175. This is the figure that is being owed. So if you own this figure, it means that you will have to pay this figure. You will have to pay this figure. So that is what we have to show you now. Okay, so let's go there and post. So we go to Sage 50. I will go to task. From there, I will select payments. From payment, I will select vendor ID, Federal Inland Revenue Service, which is already set up. Then I will enter the reference number ZB. Let's go to ZB number 900282387. Then date is 31st of May. Cash account where I'm to pay the money from is Zenith Bank. I'll select Zenith Bank because the reference number of the check is already here. I'm issuing check. Here, I will now type in under the description remittance of VAT to Federal Inland Revenue Service. Then select the ledger, the GL of Federal Inland Revenue Service, the GL that I've used to warehouse the money. Then I go to amount, enter the amount there, 242,175. Press my tab key. When I press my tab key, then the figure will appear. That is the amount to enter there. After that, I can save or print. In this case, I want to save. I click on Save button. Then when I click on Save button, it will nail off the existing figure or debt in the liability account. Now, after saving, let me check the report again. Let's check the report. If the figure is still there, you can see that this is the general ledger trial balance. The VAT is no longer there. That figure has already vanished. This is how to post VAT with Sage 50. Thank you.